How to install Calculator Sharp Vault from App Store. How to install app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Calculator Vault and press search. From the search results, find and select the Calculator Vault app. Tap the Get button to download and install the app on your device. First time setup. When you open the app for the first time, you will be prompted to grant permissions for notifications and activity tracking. You can choose to allow or deny these permissions. Calculator disguises as a calculator for privacy. Touch/Face ID, unlock with biometric security. PIN, use a 4 to 6 digit PIN for protection. Pattern, lock with a custom pattern. Password, secure with a strong password. None, no security for easy access. Thank you. Once you set your security lock, you can start using the app and enjoy its features to the fullest.